अगर आप 24 घंटे कुछ नहीं खाओगे तो आपकी बॉडी
Hello. So yesterday we discussed about that while loop. We also saw some examples. Let's continue that. Now today we are going to talk about next loop, and next loop is here, do while loop. As you can see here, name says that first you execute the statement, means do, yes, then test the condition, just opposite of while loop. In while loop, condition was with the while keyword, whereas when we talk about the do while loop, in do while loop, first we write the do, yes, means do the works, execute the statements, then put the condition, means even if the condition is false, at least once it runs. Here is a flow chart. Now to see the output of this do while loop, let's see some programs and with its working mechanism. Add a file first. Okay, let's print 10 to 1, means so what is the first value? 10. We have to initialize it. Let's declare a variable I equals to 10, yes, Now let's go for the loop. Do. In do while loop, first we have to put do, then braces, and inside that what we are asked to print the values. First we have to print the I, so let's put first printf, then specifier, then I. Okay, now look at this series. What is the common difference between the first term and the second term? It is 1, means we have to decrease the value by 1. So what we need to put here, I equals to I minus 1. Yes, that's all. And at the bottom of do structure we need the condition, means how many times we want to run there. If the condition is, if I is more than equals to 1, then, and one thing is there must be semicolon in do while loop. If there is no semicolon, it does not work. Let's put return here. Let's save it. Let's run it. So here is the output. Okay, so it's a very simple program, just like while loop. In while loop there was condition in the beginning, and in do while loop we have to put the condition at the bottom of do while structure. In while loop there is no semicolon, in do while loop there must be a semicolon. Okay, now let's go for next program. Header file first. Main. What we need here, we need first value 2. Let's declare that 2. We are asked to find the sum, so sum equals to 0. Now let's go for loop. What is the common difference between the first term and second term? 2, means we have to change the value of k by 2. K equals to k plus 2. Let's put the condition here. What is the last value of k? That is 100. Let's put here semicolon, then print the value of sum. Printf, the sum is Let's save it. Let's run it. Okay, here is our output. So sum of all the even numbers from 2 to 100. It's very simple loop and very simple way we have to write the program. Just we have to remember the what we want to do there, and a condition, it must be at the bottom line there, and there must be a semicolon and nothing more. And difference is there in do while loop, at least once it runs, whereas in some other loops it is not. Okay, now let's go for the next loop. Next is a for loop. So what is this for loop? It is also a looping structure, a type of loop, and it is also called counter control loop. It means how many times the loop body will execute, it is already known there, and it also helps us to specify 3 things about the loop in a single line. So that is the concept of for loop. Okay, let's go for the example here. Here is a syntax. Just in previous program we saw there was an initialization, there was a condition, and there was an increment means updated statement. And for what this does, it suppose all these lines, all these statements we can say in same line. Then so since they are statements, so there must be a issue that semicolon. Okay, let's go for the for loop and let's see some examples. First arrow file, int main, since we are asked to print our name 10 times, yes, so what do we need here? We need a variable I. Let's run the loop. For I equals to 1, and I less than equals to 10, I plus plus. Okay, 10 times means we have to run 1 to 10. We can also do the 10 to 20, 20 to 30, it doesn't matter there. We can also do 10 to 1. Okay, let's put our name here. Let's save it. Let's run it. Okay, here is the output. Is not it very simple? It's very simple. Just we need to put the initialization, yes, then the condition it has to test, and the increment decrement. Okay. If we are going to increase, now put the increment. If we are going to decrease, put the decrement. We can also do the 10, then 10 to 1. Okay, and obviously the value is decreasing, so minus. Let's save it. Let's run it. So output is same. so there is no change in output. Means very simple program, and same program we can also write in a different way. How? Let's go for it. What we need here, we can write just like a while loop. Let's remove this part from here. Okay, so this is the initialization. Since its first part, that is the initial part, it has been here, so just we have to put the semicolon. Next is a condition, just like a while loop, and this part what we can do, we can cut and we can put here down. Okay, so this is also a way to write the for loop. Let's save it. Let's run it. Okay, here is the output. Yes, very simple. Now you may have one question there. So what will happen there if we don't put this semicolon here? Okay, let's try it. So it is being highlighted now. And what is the error? Here is a expected expression before token. Okay, so it is asking for the expression before token, and just we did not put that, so why it is showing an error. Okay, so this is also a way to write about that for loop, just like a while loop we can use there, but mostly we don't use this one. What we do there, we put this initialization, we put this condition and the updated statement in the same line. This was our the for loop. I hope you saw this one. Let's see some more examples using for loop, which we have already done. Okay, let's write a unique program using for loop. Okay, let's print Fibonacci series. First header file, main. Okay, for this we need two values. Fibonacci says there first two values 0 and 1. Let's take that. Next we need third term, and this term it is the sum of previous two terms 0 and 1. For that we need a variable c. Yes, and next is there, we don't know what is the end term. We also need that. And okay, almost all the variables we have declared. Now let's cover end term input. Okay, we have done input here. Sorry. Okay, let's end term. Okay, first we have to print these two values. Printf d then a b. Let's go for loop now. For we need a variable I equals to, since we are asked to print the end terms and already two terms gone here, yes or no? Two terms we have already taken here. Now we have to start from the third term 3, then I less than equals to end term I plus plus. Yes. Okay, now what we have to do there, we have to find the next term, this term, and this is means sum of previous two terms. Yes, let's print it. Now what we have to do here, next is there, as you go for C, then we have to transfer the value of B to A and C to B. Yes, and for that we have to use the statement A equals to B and B equals to C. Yes, put return. Let's save it. Let's run it now. 10. Look here, is it fine? 0 1 1 2 3 3 2 5 5 3 8 8 5 13. Okay, 6 7 8 9 10. Fine, we have got it. Okay, there was no gap. Let's do one thing there. Okay, here is the output. As you can see, in a very simple way we can write this type of program, like printing Fibonacci and the table and many others. Okay, I hope you also got this one. Let's cover the next program. Okay, let's write next program here. Header file, what is the first character? A, and to store this A we need a data type char. Yes, char. Okay, let's put CS. Okay, what is the first character? A, and we have to reach up to Z. Let's run the loop here. For CS equals to A, okay, so done here. Let's print it now. Nothing more we have to do there. This CS++, what it does there, it increases the value of A to B, then to C, and so on. And to print these all the characters, we have to use the specifier, that is %C, and what is the name of variable? CS. We have to put CS here. So that's all. Now going to run it. Look here. Yes, we have got alphabetical letters. Isn't it very simple? So this is the simplicity of for loop, means using all those lines in all those statements in same line and going for the execution. If we have multiple statements, we can also put separated by the comma. Okay. Okay, this was for today, and tomorrow again we'll be discussing about the array and the string. So stay tuned. Tomorrow at 11 o'clock AM we'll be discussing some programs related to array and the string. Okay, thank you, take care, and obviously you need more practice to understand about the program. So on a computer, practice more and more. If you have any confusion, you can ask me. Use the chat box. Thank you. Take care.